Oh, this is a swim, baby swim. Many. Oh,
so yummy.
It's a very. Let's go. Can I talk to my shout out to my friends?
Shout out. Finishing cooking.
Yes.
Mimos from
Mimos
Mama.
Mimos Mama.
Hello everyone. Is it live po?
Yes, that's right. No, it's a vlog.
Hi
It's a vlog.
everyone. You can also follow my YouTube channel.
Yes, Jeremy Michelle. Yes. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Can you meet my visitor? This one.
Mimos Mama.
Yes, baby.
Hello everyone. Fine, thank you. And overnight
Camping. Yes. Right. You understand camping? Yes.
160? How much pala?
How?
Ang ipapa-challenge nyo sa round 3, lahat ng mga vlog nyo nung round 2, uulitin nyo pero Tagalog naman.
Your English now.
You know?
Salamat pala sa'yo, painumin muna bago vlog.
Right. Let's go to my friend because he's fishing net swim. Very swim. Many. What's this? Your is clean the water. Oh no, it's very many. Right. Oh. Oh, this is a swim, baby swim. My brother Ronald and brother Raymar. Baby swim. Yes. Yes. Baby swim. So many more. Yes. Baby swim. Yes, that's right.
Baby swim. Baby swim daw yun. O, diba?
Alright.
O, yung bata ba? Kaya ba niya? Baka tayo pa ako ng bata.
This is my feeling, is a hard feelings. Right? My visitors. Brother Majuwaray.
Hello, my friend.
Tita Au and where's the one?
Sai. Hi guys. Welcome to support
Yes.
Jerwin official to
Support Majuwaray, my friends. Because his views is
38,000 already.
very low.
Low.
I can to
Try.
views is 60
60k views.
60k views.
And
All
my
right.
views is already 38 views.
Yes.
38,000 views. All right.
All right. Let's go. May I see you the swim.
Sorry.
Yes. Many. Oh.
So yummy.
It's a very very. This is a very nice.
Yummy? I can eat this.
You like this?
No lason?
No.
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 Uy, ang Tagalog yun. Yung Tagalog yan.
Yes. It's a perfect to my
Virus?
mango because it's
I try to eat.
What is this?
baby swim.
Baby swing?
Yes. Baby swim. Baby swim is a it's a perfect taste. Very nice. It's a sweet, man. Perfect. My friends as going to the sea, and then catch in the swim, right? Jumper Sniper is cottage. My visitors. Shout out Pintadika.
Egg.
Mama Moma Kicks Vlog.
Delicious ah.
Yes, it's a delicious.
Yummy. May kunting ibang lasa pero masarap siya mga kabayan.
Perfect taste. Yes, it's a perfect taste.
Ba't may clip kayo?
Let's go. Can I talk to my shout out to my friends Pintadika?
Finishing cooking.
Yes.
Your English.
Yes. My vlog is what's
your name?
My vlog is what's
Your vlog is that watching.
yes, it's watching.
Shout out to all viewers of Kuya Jerwin.
Yes, thank you very much to supporting to my vlog.
Support his vlog.
Naka-vlog kayo?
Hindi, naka-live din ako lang.
Kinuha mo lang yung clip?
Mimos from
Sabi ko nga ba hindi lang
Mimos
Hello
Mama.
everyone. Is it live po?
Yes, that's right. No, it's a
Is
vlog.
it vlog? Hi
It's a vlog.
everyone. Thank you so much po for watching Kuya Jerwin's vlog. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Andito po, we are here right now at Pukana.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Hello.
Ma'am, where are you from?
We are from,
Bawal yung magtagalog,
guys,
kausapin
we
yung
are from
mabuti.
Muntinlupa. You can also follow my YouTube channel.
Yes, Jeremy Michelle. Yes. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hey, can you meet my visitor? This one.
Mimos Mama.
Kayo, sige. Yes, baby, alright yan.
Yes, baby, right. Hello everyone. Fine, thank you.
Right.
English ka rin ba? I can try to speak English because my Tinggong already English.
Already. Yes.
Hindi, ganito talaga.
So we're the victims of my swim. For the victim of my swim. Sorry for English. Speaking is not okay. So very strawberry. Yes. What's your own? This one. Right.
Magaling. That's a good, vlogger,
Yes. She.
She's mom,
Yeah.
what is his name? Primus.
Mama.
That's
Yan.
good,
Primus Mama Cakes vlog is voice is
very nice.
very nice. My voice is talk to the English is very good because is a beautiful girl. Yes, yes, my beautiful girl. Yes. Many viewers, it's nice to be in love.
Kumusta na kami ni Jerwin official ng English. Dahil nung ngayon English. I try to speak English guys. I can manage everything. It's okay. Under control.
My friend Marchuara is going.
Tago-tago. Tago-tago.
Where are you?
My English is a little bit okay.
Oh, my English as pick up my English is not okay because is
Philippines. From Philippines.
from Philippines. Right. My country is Philippines. My Philippines is very nice place.
Nice.
Right.
Bukana in here in
Visitors. Visitors. Jumper Sniper is very so beautiful and handsome. Yes.
Kami kompleto kami sa pang-camping nila. Kasi 2015, 2000 hanggang 2017 lagi kami nagka-camping. Hindi kami mag-camping.
You understand? Camping?
yes,
Pero bira na kasi ako lumabas, nagka-ano ko eh, may anxiety ako.
Hanggang ngayon.
Pero hindi na ako uminom ng gamot.
Hey. Yes, camping and overnight.
Camping? Yes. Right. You understand camping? Yes.
Hindi, tinalang ko lang. Hoy! Si Consielando pala, merong
Hambira pero mauulit na lang English speaking
Wow.
challenge namin kapag in-English pa ni Idol.
Jump. It's a jumping rope.
Oh, yan, nabuksan tuloy.
Buti na lang
Si Consielando pala, makikita ko.
Yung nandito na ako sa gilid. Nakukuha.
Right. This one is what's scan in my Cats in Swim. Oh no! What happened? You're my head. Oh no! It's a drinking master. No, no drinking master. It's a compo master. Compo master. No, no compo master. It's a Shaolin master. Shaolin. Yes, that's right. My head is a barbershop.
Thank you by Black and Support. Yes,
I will take over the house vlog for today's video. Ito, beside me is
Thank you very much.
Kuya Jerwin! Yes, yes, yo!
English
Thank
speaking.
you very much.
I
Yeah.
love the GoPro. It's a
Very
photo
nice English, ma'am. Huh? Yes. Ma'am, ano mga pangalan mo?
Famous mom.
Oh, yun.
Famous mama.
Subscribe to your
Famous
channel.
mama is a beautiful girl. Yes.
Marjuay TV in the
my
house.
my
My
Husband.
baby love.
my baby loves mama.
Famous mama.
Famous mama. My baby loves is handsome.
You know, one time I'm watching your live and
Yes.
you're saying my name, Primos Mocha Cakes.
No, that's right. Primos Mocha Cakes.
Oh, I love that.
Primos
Hi,
Mocha
guys.
Cakes vlog.
Okay na?
I take over my vlog, Kahaw. Thank you very much, ma'am. Because Kahaw is
Many silencer.
many down the road my views.
Mini a little bit English. Now is ano? Silent.
Yeah.
Silent. Vlogger. Hindi mo ka magsalita. Vlogger. Pipi na pipi.
Nose blade for English.
No rice. No rice? Come on. Yeah, right. Yeah.
No rice?
Yes.
The rice inside.
There is insan and sinaing man. Come on.
Let's go.
Bao, dyan muna kayo. Dyan muna dito.
I'm going to house my
Yes.
boss because it's the rising sun. It's a fire. Cooking the rice. Cooking the rice.
Saing na kayo.
Hey, you my vlogs. Hey, vlogs. Go there. Go there. This boatman is finishing. Carpenter.
Silent vlogger. Well, no. Kahit silent vlogger, you know that? Because you're really good English. I can try to speak English. Yes. You have to miss this already. Hey, my friend. What's about it? What's about it? Wow! What's about it? Very nice, huh?
The finishing carpenter.
Yes.
Is the going to the my wood is this one. It's a perfect combination to my anything.
Really?
Yes. And wood is come on. Many wood.
Many wood. Dry wood.
Let's go. See you next vlog. I can wait forever. Before anything else, I would like to say hi, hello. Let's go. We'll be right back. Alright, back to the vlog. Let's go to my house. Boss Jabber Sniper, right? This is one boat. Jabber Sniper repair before after. This one my boat Jabber Sniper. My brother Chong Luis is repairing, and brother Kabungot, this one, and my brother Michael. Yes. Then right, you, this one. Yes. Right. All right. Then let's go. What happened? Morning. Right.
Revenue. Buti nga kayo mga gonggong malaki na kayo ang charge ninyo.
Oh no.
Sa susunod naman, ay ipapakuha ko lang sa inyo, ay ano, 1,200.
What?
Ano man sa mga super chatter? Hindi, walang ano yun, walang super chats, live, wala. Walang live. Tapos gano'n pala kayang kukuha na yun?
Oh my goodness.
Tapos ang views namin, 1,000 lang. 3,000. Tapos kailangan daw
What?
hits namin yung 2,000.
What?
Nakarang, shout out.
Your revenue.
Yes?
293?
Oh no. Your revenue is not complete because is revenue is how many?
160? How much pala?
How much?
And 160 and is the revenue. Yeah.
Hindi, ang ipapachallenge nyo sa round 3, lahat ng mga vlog nyo nung round 2, uulitin nyo, pero Tagalog naman. Huwag na. Huwag na mag-live. Hirap Tagalogin nyo. Okay na, patay. Paano Tagalogin nyo na? Ay,
Oh no.
Ay, nga English ko, hindi ko alam kung paano natin.
Cooking, the cooking, finishing.
English lang, English. Kung kailan mamaya, kaya ka pag nagising,
Oh. All right. Perfect combination.
Yummy.
Preparing to my breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast. Oh,
It's very hot.
very hot. Very hot.
Habang may araw pa.
Kaya din yung ano. Yung galit ulit, may mga calls na yun doon. Sa tipuan din yung calls. Kasi maulan eh.
Let's go. Oh. Very good. Oh, pitik. Brother, your views is okay? No?
18K views ang talang ko. Revenue is good. Alright.
Revenue is good. Alright.
My revenue for now ay 300 plus. And tomorrow I already $400. And my views it's very low
Very low.
because no viewers watching my vlog. I can help me my vlogs to watch mga kawaray. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Salubasa, shoutout.
Thank you for you, my friends.
Ay, hirapan din naman ika tayo.
Brother, your English speaking tonight. Now. Your English now.
You know?
Dapat pala sa'yo, painumin muna bago mag-vlog.
Isa like, asal.
Nung nalasinay, ayaw na mag-Tagalog eh. Bakit ang uwi? Putay ka po.
Sino nakapanood ka kami?
ng aming live yung kay Juan, kay Dong TV, Dong Albert.
Dong Albert.
Dong Albert is, Dong Luis is English speaking daw.